at Shakti, we want to see more women making money, saving money, and growing their wealth. Today we have with us the absolutely fabulous Merisha Stevenson from Financial Style. Merisha, tell us about Financial Style and what you do.
Well, I always say style is a personal form of expression. Finances, we know, is all about money. So your financial style is about your financial form of expression. How are you expressing yourself to the world? Rich or poor?
Wow, does that mean we can all look that cute?
Well, I would say so, because I've done poor very well. So now I've done that part of my life. We're trying to move into the rich and the wealthy side,
Absolutely. So what are your key tips? What are your services and what are your key tips for women?
So the main thing I do with Financial Style is it's a radio show. That means that for 2 hours every week I talk about business and finance, consumer issues, how to make more money, how to challenge your mindset to make more money. And so that's the main output for Financial Style. We are, as we step into 2022, launching a whole range of products to help people actually put that into their everyday life and to make it a real thing and make it something tangible.
So the calendar is part of that product?
It is. So the 2022 Make Money wall calendar from Financial Style is exactly that. It's just designed to keep your money in your mind each and every day. Great for businesses and limited companies, sole traders, because I give you key dates that you need to remember every single month to keep your business on track and also to set your financial goals. And then on a personal level, it helps you to set your investment goals, your saving goals, and your income goals. In addition to that, we give you some affirmations, because speaking positivity around your money is important, and give you some quotes from some great rich people who talk about their ethos around money. So there's a lot packed into that wall calendar.
Keeping your money mantras in your mind daily.
Yes.
That sounds absolutely amazing, and I completely rock with that. Merisha, thank you so much. Ladies, if you want to get hold of your calendar, there are only a few left, so bye now.